Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is very important for all of you. This video is related to Accenture all queries. The queries that is asked by our online learning family. So many candidates are asking the queries related to Workday mail not received, Congrats mail received only, BGV document mail not received, offer letter not received, and what about the phase 1 phase 2 update. This video will be definitely helpful for all of you because your all queries will be solved in one video. And in the previous video I received lot of queries from all of you that I will be clear in the today's video. And there is a one breaking news. Phase 2 candidate who interview date is 20 January, congrats mail is on 24th February, workday mail on 2nd March Monday, BGV on 3rd March Tuesday, and offer letter received by candidate today on 4th March. 4th March. It is one of the breaking news. So we will discuss about each and everything in detail. Just to confirm, all of you apply for all opportunities on our channel. Like and share the video. It will hardly take 1 to 2 seconds to like the video and share this video as much as you can. Okay, let's proceed with your first query that workday mail is not received. Understand one most important point that Accenture announced the AAC mass hiring opportunity, and they mentioned if you are from any year of pass out till 2025 you are eligible for this opportunity. So suppose 25 batch, 24 batch, 23 batch, previous batches apply for opportunity. Okay, and now one thing, they closed the deadline. As we know that they closed the opportunity, it is already closed on the 9th January 2026. Okay, one thing that I have to mention, candidates have query they not receive any kind of workday mail. Now if you are basically from phase 1, so the phase 1 process is like this. Those candidate who completed interview on 29 December, firstly I am talking about the first phase result, so directly they receive workday mail on 10th February. After that they directly receive the BGV on 16th February, and later they received the congrats mail on 23rd February, and after that they received the offer letter on 3rd March 2026. But now I am assuming that you are from first phase, you completed interview on 29 December or any of the other next dates, so you not receive any kind of update, only you received the congrats mail. So what does it means? Okay, yes, congrats mail means you cleared the successfully, you completed the interview, or you completed the interview and you cleared the interview of Accenture, that's why you received the congrats mail. If we not cleared the interview, simply they send rejection mail to us. Okay, if simply it's only related to the completed, so why they are sending the congratulation mail? If it's related to completed, so they have to send to all of the candidates. But no, it's if it is related, if you clear the interview you will receive the congrats mail, otherwise rejection mail. Now the main pictures will become. Previously I already told you whether you receive the workday mail first or congrats mail first, the sequence is not important. I am making videos on our YouTube channel from last 5 to 6 years, and I know the pattern how company process is ongoing. Okay, workday mail and congrats mail, okay, the sequence is not important. Sometimes candidate receive the workday mail first, then they receive the congrats mail. Sometimes they receive the congrats mail first, then they received the workday mail. But now the one most important thing that you have to understood very carefully, that the process is like this. Suppose we receive the congrats mail, then workday mail will be there, then BGV will be there, and then offer letter will be there. Okay, now the one thing, this is step by step process. First step, second step, third step, and fourth step. Okay, understand one thing. So we have to follow all the rules and guidelines. What are the rules and guidelines? That is the we have to satisfy the document verification process. It is very important to release your offer letter. Suppose if some discrepancy or error is present in your document, so there will be lead to rejection. But it there is a less chances because you already completed all the process. Congratulation mail you receive, workday mail you will soon receive, BGV and OL will be there. But now still the query is not resolved yet. So आप कहेंगे कि ये क्या ये सारी बातें बता रहे हो, घुमा फिरा रहे हो, तो मेन पॉइंट पे आओ. Okay, now we have to understand the one thing, that if you receive the congrats mail, first of all This is candidate number 1. This is candidate number 2. Both are basically from phase 1. Candidate number 1 received the workday mail first. Candidate number received the BGV mail, then congrats mail, and he received the offer letter. But still, candidate 2, who was also belonging from phase 1, only who received the congrats mail. No workday mail will be there. So why? First of all, your candidate number 1 and candidate number 2, suppose both they are friends, both completed interview on 29th December, okay, both college is also same, but still they not receive the mail. What is the reason? Because Accenture don't know that candidate number 1 is a friend of candidate number 2. They are only believing in the candidature of candidate. Okay, if you are any of the candidate number 1, candidate number 2, your candidature is different. Candidature means your candidate profile. Okay, now one thing, they are sending the interview updates according to the region, according to the particular timeline. I will give you one example. Suppose on 29 December, this is the time slot that on 11:30 your friend completed interview and now he received all updates including BGV and offer letter, and you completed interview on 11:35. Why you not receive? Now the main things come all about the interviewer feedback. Okay, and interviewer feedback will be sent to the Accenture team. Accenture team will be process the candidate number 1 data and they will be move forward. But still, candidate number 2 not receive any kind of update. Why? Because your candidature is different and they are sending mail is in according to the region, according to their timeline. Okay, now I will tell you one thing that no one will tell you. Like as we know that this is candidate number 2 and he is also basically from phase 1, everything will be there. So now candidate number 1 only receive the congrats mail, तो क्या workday mail नहीं आएगा? No, 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 no. Now the thing is they are checking the candidature. Okay, what is your region, what is the particular timeline, they are sending according to the timeline. That's all called the phase. What does it mean by phase? Phase means different dates are there. You can ask from your seniors, they are from 24 batch, 23 batch, 22 batch. I am shouting from last 3 years that all the process will be ongoing is in the form of phases, means different dates are there. So in that case, we can't do anything from our side. Just believe me this point, that if you are at this stage, congrats mail, what we can do, if we try to raise the ticket, they will only say that yes, we are proceeding your data and we will soon share you update. Now the one thing that you have to hard to accept, that at least you have to wait for 1 to 2 months for processing your candidature, because region will be there, timeline will be there, phase wise process will be there. Whatever your status is showing in the inspect method, it does not matter. Why it does not matter? Because we are only believing on the official mail. The official mail is the official confirmation from the Accenture team itself, that if you receive the official mail, so now the next process will be begun. So don't worry guys, soon you will receive the workday mail. After that your BGV process will be started and offer letter will be there. And now the main things will be come in picture. I will also tell you, please like and share the video. It will hardly take 1 to 2 seconds. I am putting lot of efforts for all of you, and no one will no one will discuss all these queries like this. Okay, congrats mail received only. Suppose you receive the congrats mail, in that case we can't do anything from our side. We have to just wait for the update from the company itself. Okay, fine. Next we will discuss about the third query, that what about the BGV and document mail is not received. Okay, like the third query is related to BGV document mail not received. Okay, fine. You receive congrats mail, you received workday mail, still you are waiting for the BGV. Now understand one thing. Suppose Accenture wants to hire 10,000 candidates. Okay, 10,000 candidates. I am talking about phase 1, right? I am talking about both phase 1, phase 2. Now there is a query that is arising your mind, that I am from phase 1, but why they are sending all the updates to phase 2 candidate very fast? Okay, because there are a lot of factor that interviewer feedback will be shared to Accenture team and they process the data. That's why multiple factors are there. We don't know about this because only company know about this. Any of the content creator on Telegram, YouTube, Instagram, मैं भी खुद हूं, आपको ये नहीं बता सकता because multiple factors are there and it's only decided by Accenture team. Okay, suppose they want to hire 10,000 candidates and they divided into part that they will be hired to 2,000 candidates or they will be sent offer letter to 2,000 candidates. Now they are selecting the region on which region we are sending the we are sending the updates to that candidates. Suppose this is candidate number 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on like this. Okay, now first candidate process is smoothly ongoing, he received the offer letter. Second candidate is waiting for the BGV mail. Third candidate's process is ongoing. Fourth candidate is like this. So ये आप समझ रहे हो ये क्या हो रहा है? आप समझ रहे हो? This is called the phase wise process because they are dividing into parts that they want to onboard candidate. Okay, Accenture is a service based company and service based company onboard candidates according to the demands, according to the number of projects that is currently present in the company. That are lot of factors that is present in the company. No one can tell you about this, but these are the some of the point according to my experience. So again I am mentioning, if you still not receive BGV document mail, you already created the workday, means you initiated the process. Now the next thing is related to BGV. Be ready with your documents, there is no problem, soon you will receive the update. Now the main thing will become, you receive the workday mail, you receive the congrats mail, you received the BGV mail, but still offer letter is not announced. What is the reason for that? Now you can see on my screen that 29 December to 10th February. No, this is the interview date. Just let it be. Workday mail 10th February. After most probably like 13 days, we receive the congrats mail. Like in the next 6 days, we receive the BGV, and after most probably more than like another 15 days. Not 15 days, we can say that another 10 to 12 days we receive the offer letter. But there is a condition in the phase 2. Congrats mail 24 February, workday mail 2 March, BGV 3 March, offer letter 4th March. Very, very good things are there. So understand one thing, that suppose here are some of the cases, that suppose if your college is partnered with the Accenture also, the process is also one of the fast. Okay, this is also one of the factor, that's why candidates are receiving the updates. Offer letter we can't do anything from our side because already workday mail you receive, congratulation mail and BGV, you completed all the process that is related to this hiring process. So you have to wait for the offer letter, no need to worry about that, we have to just wait. These are the phase 1 and phase 2 update. I will tell you guys one thing, I will tell you, believe me, whatever status code is showing in the inspect method, ch 13 18 15, whatever the things are going on the workday portal, I see lot of videos on daily basis. I even don't understand what is the what is the official source related to the particular updates, or there are lot of things going on YouTube, Instagram, Telegram. I have no problem with that. Just one thing that no one is talking about, that official mail. जब तक ऑफिशियल मेल नहीं आएगा ना, वी आर नॉट कंफर्म्ड येट. दैट्स व्हाई I suggest you to please don't do this mistake from your side. I am here to inform all the updates or share updates with all of you. So this is all about the today's video. I hope you find this video well. We will meet in the next video. Subscribe to our channel. And guys, if you are at any of the stage, please be patient. Patience is very, very important, and patience is the key of success. Apply for other opportunity. I am waiting for your final selection. Good news. Thanks for watching the video.